Wait lang. Okay, game. Ayan ha, kahit papaano. Okay, nakuha ni Joe. Mark, pinasakay. Buter, no good. Nagmamadali, parang may lakad. Jeff Teo, 2 points. Score 2-0. Okay. Nakuha. Okay. No good. Hoy, ang lakas. Parang naliyo yata yun ah. Sobrang sa ino. Okay. Mark 3 points. May alam tumira kanina yun eh. Score 2-3. Jeff, pinasa kay Patrick. Binalik kay extra pass. Nagkakahiyaan. Pinasa Patrick. Ang layo. Trabaho mo lang dyan, Franz. Okay, wait lang. Injury timeout. Wait lang. Injury timeout. Wait lang po tayo. Okay lang, Patrick. Okay, game. Back to the ball game. 5 minutes, 42 seconds. Wala po gumagamit ang timer masyado. Okay. Mark. Parga. Pinasa kay Buter. No good. Rebound by. Okay. Same. Bola nila Martin. Bola po nila Martin. Dalawa shooter nyo dyan. France, 3 points. Huwag lang magtatabi si Coaching tsaka si France para dalawa ang tumitira. Edwin, Puerta. Wow, nice pass. Nice drop. Oh! Unselfish play by Edwin. No good. Nakuha ni Edwin. Edwin, pinasa kay Parga. Good okay. No good. Nakuha ni. Okay, last touch by Cersei. Time remaining 4 minutes 41 seconds. Okay. Oy, munti ka na. Oh! Okay, 2 points lamang nabunan dalawa sila Buter. Score 5-7. Okay, no good. Nice, libre. Oh! Good. Sayang ang follow-up shot. Okay, foul. 3 minutes, 48 seconds, 14 to shoot. Parga, no good. Nakuha ni Coaching, pinasa kay France to Martin, pinasa kay Teo. Oy, dumulas ang bola. Grabe talaga pag may talent sa gano'n. No good. Three points. 11-7. Lamang po ng apat. No good. Nice drop. Parga reverse is good. 11-9. Three points. 14-9. Grabe. Tatlo ang nagtetres. Shoot ba yun? Patrick Lugo. Naka-shoot dito? 16-9. Oy, blanca ka! Hindi pwede yun. Last 28 seconds. Three. $22-9. Ang ganda po ng depensa. 14 seconds to shoot. Okay, foul daw. 9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds. 5 seconds. Still. 3 seconds. 2 seconds. Sino una nakakuha ng bola? Sino nakakuha ng bola kanina? Sa kanila? Okay. Score 9-22 in favor kila Jeff. Grabe, umulang-ulang 3 para may bagyo. Score 22-9. Dito ang bola sa inyo, France. Back to the ball game. Last quarter na po Nice fake. France parang nagle-lay up. No good. Wow, inagaw sa area ni Buter. Nagmamadali na to, nagmamadali na. 2 points by Air Buter. 11 na. Oy, sayang. Nauna yung bola lumabas. 11 lang po ang inaabot nyo, Parga. Oy! Oy, lumusot! Grabe na. Lumusot yung bola. Lumusot po yung bola sa gitna. Okay. Dribbling the ball. Dribbling. Pinasa. Pinasa. Binalik. Hindi pwede yan. Nakuha ni Parga. Bad pass. Oy, good yan. Good. Okay, good pa ha. Munti. Kala ko mag-backward na. France to Martin. Pero may foul ata. Foul muna. 5 minutes, 50 seconds. 14 to shoot. Okay, Martin, pinasa. Tumira. No good. Okay po. Pinasa kay Buter. Buter, naghahanap ng papasahan. May makikita ba? Ang ganda ng depensa ni Martin. Pinasa kay Mark. Mark! 3 points by Joe Mark. Score 14-24. Jeff. Sumasayaw. Tumira. Munti ka na. Rebound by Buter. Buter, pull up, is good. 16-24. Huwag niyong pag-iinitin si Air Buter, baka hindi niyo mapigilan. 12 seconds to shoot. Shot. 16-26. Okay, pinasa, nakita. Okay, Martin. Uy, sayang. Time remaining 4 minutes 10 seconds. Air Buter, pull up. Is good. 2 out of 2 sa pull up yun. 18-26. Okay, France. Ang ganda ng screen. Tumira. Martin. 2 no good. Grabe, parang kayod kalabaw si Buter. Buter, lumipad. Wow! Counted. 20-26. Grabe, parang tumigil sa ere. France, dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Kuching to Martin. No, good. Oy, good. Okay, wala pa. Pinapitan mo pa ng sandali eh. Oy! 2 minutes, 50 seconds. 6 lang ang kalamangan ng Team Jeff. 3 points by Jeff Teo. Grabe, pamatay sunog. 20-29. Okay. Nice shot. Muntikan lang umalo. Reverse shot. No good. France. Wow! Iba talaga pag pure score. Ginaya ni Buter. Inibang angulo lang. 22-31. Martin Derechoy. Tapos na. Last 2 minutes. Buter, try again, pull up. It's good, sumabik. 24-31. 1 minute, 45 seconds. No need to foul. Libre, Martin, pinasa kay Teo. Tuming, ang ganda ng fake. Pull up, no good. Nice D. Naku, naipit lang. 2 CM. Sir CM. Libre, Sir CM. 2 points. 26-31. 5 lang po ang hinahabol at 5 lang. Both teams may dalawa pang timeout. 1 minute 15 seconds. 14 to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds. Okay, 24 seconds violation. 59 seconds remaining. 59 seconds. 59 seconds. Lahat na pa may free throw na. 5 lang po yan. 5 lang. To Sir CM. Sir CM. No. Okay, Cole. Okay, good daw. Good. Okay, nakashoot. Okay. 28-31. 47 seconds. 3 lang. No need to foul. Honestly lang, 2 possession pa yan. France. Wow, dagger 2. 31 seconds. 5 ang hinahabol. 29 seconds, 20 to shoot. Tumira. Edwin. No good. Last 18 seconds. Okay, France, libre, 2 points. 10 seconds, 10 seconds. Okay. 30-35, 5 seconds. Libre na. Nice shot pa. Okay, game ball.